Day two. Day two. I told you I'd still be here. Day two. Day two. Day two. What is that on my scissors? Alright, so I got a package. Well, my husband got a package, but I knew it was coming, and you will see. So the contents in here, they do belong to me. I hope there wasn't any additional surprises, because if it is or was, I have ruined it. So, but sure, you're not supposed to open up other people's mail. Well, look it. What is this? I don't know what this is. Dress. Okay, that's what that says. This is the suit pants, a mask. Oh, mask with an S. Mask it says. And what is this here? Oh, this is the jacket. Okay. Oh, yay. I can't wait to try it on. See what it looks like when you guys see what it looks like. So let me call my hubby here and tell him that I'm supposed to be eating. Like, I have my drink right here, and then I have my food over there, but I was coming to the house and I saw that the delivery person was making a drop. So it's just toys everywhere. Hey, my Ivy Park stuff came and I opened the box.
Okay, cool.
Yay! I can't wait to try it on.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I can't wait to try it on. I'll try it on, not right now. I haven't even eaten yet. I was trying to eat my food, but when I was pulling up to the house, the mail person was dropping off the thing. So I was like, oh my God. So I thought it was our food at first. But I was like, no, they don't drop off the food. It's UPS. But anyway, yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you got another box too. It's from Sugar, why you not showing your face and stuff? Because we're just not doing all that. So I'm going to try on these clothes. Just got out the shower. Let's get this dress here. So much plastic. Oh, I thought it was folded in half. Yeah, we have this here. What do you call that? Like halter-ish, turtleneck-ish. And this is a size medium. All right, so I'm going to edit this part out. Come on, body. Make sure I don't accidentally take the tag off here. Let's put the tag on the outside. Yo. Okay. Woo. Okay, this is hot. Oh, child. This thing is tight. Oh. Here we go. This thing is tight, y'all. Like, it is really, really tight. It's cute, though. Come on. It's cute. I just have to wear some kind of bra thing that doesn't have this. Or I could probably go without a bra, honestly, because the way my short sleeve boobs are set up, I could probably rock it out that way. But yeah, this is cute. Isn't this cute? All right, let's go show hubby. Well, yeah, he likes it. All right, now let's try on this here jacket. This thing is heavy, girl. Okay, it's like a weighted blanket. All right, so we have snap closure. So there's 3 buttons. It's not fully lined. It's just lined right here at the top. Pocket on the inside on both sides. I guess if you was going out, you can put your stuff in there. All right. Okay. All right, it's cute. And I'll do like another video so you guys can really get a feel for how it looks. All right, now let's try on the pants. Oh, I gotta take this thing off. This thing is like, it's short, y'all. It's short. That's how short it is. It's short. You can see kind of in the mirror how short it is. Let's get the pants on here. Oh, it's drawstring waist. It's like, are you going to a meeting or are you working out or are y'all exercising at the meeting? What you doing? All right. So I know y'all really can't see what's happening here, but it's happening. The pants are cute. They're gonna be cute. These are mediums. And the mask in the bag. It has a pocket for a filter. I know it's probably hard to see, but there is a pocket for a filter. So you have this style, 2 of that style, and 1 of the brown beigey sort of color here. So We have this logo here, this logo here. On the shoes, we have, what logo do we have? We have that logo. I know it's probably hard to see. But yeah, that's it. My battery's dying.